gel ink pens from Pilot are designed with overachievers in mind. G2 pens are smooth writing, long-lasting, and comfortable to hold, thanks to this cushioned grip that looks as good as it feels. G2 is available in 4-point sizes, more than 27 ink colors, and a wide array of barrel designs, including a pen stylus option, so you can achieve more both on paper and on your digital devices. So whether you're planning your day, taking notes, or adding some color to your work, there's sure to be a smooth writing, long-lasting G2 perfectly suited